Receiving the Lifetime Achievement Award is not so easy, because I have a conflict in this respect, because Achievement Award indicates it's all past, and I'm not a man of the past, I'm a man of the future. However, I would like to share with you a number of experiences which were significant not only for my own career, but for the plastic industry as a whole. I started out in plastics in the end of the 50s, 58, 59, with a hula hoop. And I never ever in my whole career have ever had the same kind of craziness of a product in the marketplace. It was just undescribable. People got nuts with this hula hoop.
America's newest gift to the continent, the hula hoop craze, spreading like wildfire in lands already ravaged by rock and roll. This West German film documents the impact of the hoop. From the bourgeois businessman to the bohemian ballerina, the craze hits regardless of class or social status.
Then I moved on to work in Rohm & Haas in Darmstadt. And I was 23 years old and invented the twin-wall sheet, which is today a multi-billion business on a global scale, which was, of course, a very exciting development. Whenever a new innovation or creation is taking place, 90% of the cases it's a new material. The headlamp lenses of cars were all in glass, none in plastic. We had big arguments with companies like Bosch, key manufacturers of headlamps, who refused to try to use plastics. And nowadays, of course, we have all plastic lenses. Another example for the development in all plastic material was the Ford Sierra bumper. When I saw the model of the bumper and I was asked whether we can do it, I said, yes, we can do it, not knowing how. But the bumper was the largest ever molded engineering thermoplastic part in the world. The machines to make it were the biggest machines ever made in the world. And the material which finally got the business was the first new material in a long time. And when I heard the first results in the traffic out there, motor damaged, bumper okay. An incredible achievement from a small group of people committed to succeed. The future, once again, will be in materials. Why don't we make thermoplastic composites to have a material which could be processed exactly as metal? It could be welded, could be formed, could be stamped, could be much more than we utilize and capabilities these days. The Z1 is an exciting way on building a car body out of plastics and reducing the weight dramatically, particularly in light of the electrical vehicles. And one of the problems with the electrical vehicles is that the battery has to schlep 2 tons of shit around. And if I can reduce the car weight by 30%, then the reach of a battery loading will be X percentage higher. So the design, the concept of the Z1 is excellent. The use of it, unsatisfying. As I mentioned before, I consider myself more a man of the future rather than a man of the past. That is kind of what Wilhelm Busch said. He said, hier bin ich ja sowieso und schön ist es auch anderswo. That means I'm here anyhow, but nice is also somewhere else. The application I have here I know all about, but the excitement is out there. So a permanent drive towards newness in everything you do in life. And for myself, my slogan would be, I have seen a death announcement for somebody dying at 103 years. That is another life ahead. See you later, guys. Thank you very much.